So I ran a career development workshop here at IMS in Athens with my colleague Mark Raab from Germany. This was an early morning session for people enthusiastic to come at 7 o'clock in the morning and hear about the nuts and bolts of trying to set up a clinical trial. We were really enthused to see lots of people attend at that time in the morning, because that suggests that there are lots of new trainees and more senior clinicians also trying to get involved in clinical trials and think about designing their own research. So we talked a bit about how more junior clinicians can start to get involved in clinical trials in their own centre, perhaps reach out to principal investigators of local studies, get involved as a sub-investigator, and then we moved on to talking about, how to go from having an idea or perhaps a hypothesis from some laboratory research and moving that into either an early phase or a later phase clinical trial. We talked about some of the training opportunities outside of IMS as well. So I'm a member of the EHA CRTH faculty, that's clinical research training in hematology. This is a residential course for hematologists to get more experience in protocol development and clinical trial design. But there are also other similar courses in the US. So there's a ASH course called CRTI and also a CRTI for Latin America, as well as other courses that people can access if they really want more in-depth training or mentorship for clinical trial development. We talked a little bit about our own experience of designing IITs and some of the challenges and the sometimes long timescales involved in trying to do that, and hopefully shared some of our experiences or tips to people who attended to try and help them get their own research off the ground.